Wait, where are they?
Steve, why are you getting them?
They're probably selling the cops.
Oh, they're there. Hold on.
Raw meat just at my table.
Look
Oh,
at
crap,
the
they're
birds
looking.
swooping down to the big carcass.
They're looking at us.
Are they?
Oh, wait. Oh, my God, they're old.
I'm going down to the other floor.
They're looking. Oh, my God.
Come on, let's watch them eat the meat.
Okay.
I'm going to get down to the
Meat.
other floor.
Meet your meat. Let's go. This is going on YouTube.
Wait, let's hold up.
This is the documentary. I just got a whole bunch of
No,
notes.
he's going this way.
Okay. Where are we going?
Down one floor.
This is Pinky15 and what's her YouTube name? Yes, it is. It's C-Price 2. Crap. Okay, let's go. Oh, this is the one that yeah, I think. It's their level. It is their level.
You're right there watching me.
I came out and with this, and I'm like, fuck. Down there. We need to go down through the inside part. Fuck. Dad, we need to go down from the window or from the door on the inside. This way. It's Pinky 15, FYI.
I'm gonna have to watch that now.
Okay. It's Pinky 15. I'm 15.
I'm Pinky 16.
And Buff will be Pinky 14. Because she's my name. Okay. They're up there. They're up there.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my. Is that our turkey dinner? Shut the fuck up. You just smell your hand. Smells like spit. Shut up. Go out there and get the meat. Oh my. What are all these?
Where's the carcass?
Where's the carcass? Carcass. Okay. Is this our turkey dinner? Oh my. Do it. Oh, look at that. Look out! Seagulls!
You do way too many sound effects.
Eat your dinner. You had me at hello. It's good.
Look, here's some more carcass.